I know, waking up is hard.
So hard.
Are they your favorite? You like anything that is not actually a toy. Oh, okay. Where's the baby? There's the baby. Try that, it's grapefruit. Liam, I don't know if you know, but you have something on your face. So we're going to go do the laundry. We're gonna do sheets, and I feel like so proud of myself for doing the sheets. But actually I did them yesterday and I forgot to move them from the washer to the dryer. So actually we're fixing that. So it's not that great. Yep, they're in there. Start it again. You have been playing so well while I've been cleaning. Good job. Good morning. I hope you've enjoyed watching our morning. This is typically what me, Liam, and Tim do in the morning, and it's stay-at-home mom life. Nothing crazy, just trying to manage taking care of baby and getting things done and prepping myself to teach later. So let me tell you what I'm going to be doing. At 11, I teach a class, and then at 12, I teach a class back to back. So Liam goes down for a really long nap, and I teach. So what I'm usually doing right now in the morning is like prepping the house, getting him taken care of, playing with him. Also do a little bit of either social media work or working on some classes I'm selling. So that's what we're going to be doing today. He just went down for like a quick 15 to 30 minute nap just so he can make it to 11, but then he'll be up. So I usually use this little nap to just prep things. And I've got a canvas and we're gonna be painting today. I'm so excited about it. So I'll probably like clean up in here a little bit, set everything up, get some pictures taken, and then when he wakes up, we're gonna paint and it's gonna be awesome. This is what a styled photo shoot for art stuff looks like. I'm just doing it on the kitchen floor with a towel, with a bunch of like random decor things that I have, and it's gonna look pretty good. Did you have a nice nap? No. Welcome to our kitchen. Ready to paint? Okay, this bag is actually his favorite part. So it's actually a toy as well. So my hair was annoying me, so it's down. And I put this really cute clip from Southwest Native in it instead. I like it. Do you like it? Just like the camera. We're gonna go outside because it's a beautiful day and I teach in maybe like a half an hour. So yeah, we're gonna spend some time together first. Well, we've already had some issues coming out here. These little things apparently look like food, and I did have to do a finger swipe and get it out of his mouth, but we have the passy in now, so I think now he could just play with it. What you doing? Just hanging out with Mama? So we are getting ready for his big long nap of the day. It's usually a 2-hour nap from 11 to 1, and I go teach, and I teach first grade. It's the best. I love my students, so I can't wait to see them. But I'm gonna go teach and he's gonna sleep. But I wanted to mention that if you liked anything in this video, I've got a couple of things linked below. I only have like my favorite things that I've used for months that I absolutely love and 100% stand behind. I've got those things linked below. So it's not just like anything I have in my house. It's things that I really, really love. But want to say good night. Have a good nap, Liam. Okay? And I'll show you a little time lapse of me teaching, and I hope you enjoyed our morning.